welcome to our week of online learning. I hope you're all keeping safe and warm during this wild weather in our local area. So we're going to continue learning about our Year 3 science, life cycles in our biological science area. I've created this webpage for you to work your way through with 4 different activities. So on the home screen here, you have your welcome, our curriculum links, a bit of revision, our objectives for the week, a little to-do list to help you through, and then we've got buttons for the different activities, as well as buttons up the top there to navigate through. So I'm going to show you through. Let's have a look at activity 1. On this page, you're going to find a video. So I want you to watch through the video and think about some interesting things you've learnt as you're watching. And then once you've finished, you come down to the Padlet below, and I want you to tell me something interesting that you've learnt from the video about the silkworm life cycle. Next, you can move along to activity 2 by clicking this button down here, or again at the top of the screen. Activity 2, we're going to be playing some interactive games. So these are sorting games with different life cycles. So there's a chicken, salmon, fish, and a few different ones that you can have a look through the different life cycles. And once you've done that, I want you to create your own life cycle. So you could draw it, or you could create it on the computer using Canva or some other interactive tools. Or you can make your own infographic. Then I want you to upload it onto this form for me to check out. Activity 3, click again on the button below. Here we've got some text about a silkworm life cycle continuing on. I want you to read through, and then there's some short answer and multiple choice questions for you to go through and submit there. Finally, activity 4. I want you to have a go of scratch coding. So we've had a go in class already, so you're familiar with this resource. I've put a video up here, which is a student who is making a scratch code about the life cycle of butterflies. So watch that to get some ideas. Then you can click on this button, which will take you straight to Scratch, and you can start designing your own coded program of either a section of a life cycle or a full life cycle of an animal. Then come down and display your amazing efforts on this Padlet below. I'll review these and look forward to seeing you next week back in class. Have a safe week. See you, everybody.